Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting right in the game. Don't pause. With your wheel or controller connected, open Menu, go to Settings, then Controls. Make sure the correct input device is selected so you see wheel-specific options. Once done, you'll immediately access steering, wheel force, and force feedback controls. This is where you change behavior. You do this because turning feedback off in a generic controller profile won't affect an active wheel profile, so pick the active device first before adjusting values. Now change the core values. Locate force feedback and wheel force sliders under the wheel options and move them to 0 or switch the force feedback toggle to off. Make sure to also turn off controller vibration or haptics, some wheels route effects through that setting. You're doing both because some effects come from separate sliders. Zeroing one and leaving another will still produce feedback. After adjusting, glance through related options like steering linearity, so steering response stays predictable. Finish by applying or saving changes, then exit the menu and drive for a short test to confirm no force feedback. If you still feel effects, restart the game and confirm the same device profile is selected. Settings sometimes revert. If problems persist, check your wheels driver or manufacturer software on PC or console companion apps. Wheel-level profiles or firmware can override in-game settings, so disable any active wheel force there. That usually fixes remaining feedback issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.